Okay, and that right there is the first heirloom tomato of the season. Look at that color. Look at the size and the unusual shape. Yeah, name the variety if you like below. That's really, really nice. Here I sliced one. You can see just how nice it is and how few seeds there are. Really, really nice. Here's another one. Yeah. So yeah, there you go. That's what I'm talking about. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor, and tell us what you think about growing tomatoes. Hello, Chef here. I want to share something with you today that I just made. This right here is balsamic vinegar reduction. This is aged 20 years. It's pretty good. I'm going to show you, you cook it down, it gets a little thicker, and this is what you end up with right here. Yeah, look at that stuff. Amazing. Really, really thick, really, really nice. Now, you can't buy this exact stuff here. I just make it and give it away to some of my special friends. It's really good. It's really thick. It looks like this when I put it in the bottle. It's thick. When it cools off, it's thick like syrup. Yeah. All right. If you want to buy it, you can go on the site and you can find something like this. This is aged 7 years. It's pretty good. You're looking for Aceto, you're looking for Modena. This is the good stuff right here. Okay? It gets stronger and it's, wow, really nice. When the vinegar is thick enough and cool enough, you can actually drizzle it down like this, and you can use a toothpick to decorate the plate or the entree or whatever you're doing. Even desserts, sometimes they're served with this balsamic vinegar. Pretty cool. So there it is with a little bit of a plate painting. Okay? And I'm going to enjoy this today with a little tomato. This is an heirloom tomato. I'm just going to very quickly slice it up. These slices right here. Okay. There we go. And pick up one of these from the sponsor. Ah, pink peppercorns. Not a true peppercorn, but a dried berry. Not experienced this. And it's good for you. Peppercorns can help your stomach, help digestion, and they can help a variety of things.